The health benefits of citrus. Okay, we're talking about lemons and limes. Now, of course, orange and grapefruit are also citrus, but those two have too much sugar. So we're going to mainly talk about lemons and limes. So the citrus fruits have many phytonutrients, okay? But we're going to mainly talk about the flavonoids, okay? One type of flavonoid is called bioflavonoids, which is part of the vitamin C complex and very important in gum health, like your gums. If you have bleeding gums, it can actually reverse that pretty quick. So I'm not just talking about vitamin C being ascorbic acid, I'm talking about the whole vitamin C complex. And this is why I encourage people to get the majority of their vitamins from food, because you get the complete complex. Like the vitamin C complex, like citrus fruits are the best for that. But you can also get these phytonutrient benefits from not just consuming the fruit, but the leaves, the roots, and the flowers of the lemon and the lime tree. Now, lemon and limes have pretty much the same nutrients. They have B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B9, which is folate. They have calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium, and zinc. But I wouldn't depend on getting your vitamins and minerals from lemons and limes. The thing that you want to get from lemons and limes is the flavonoids, okay? Why? Because they have some very cool properties: anti-cancer, antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, anti-diabetic. Now, I've done so many of these videos with different plants and vegetables and herbs, and it seems like they all have these same common benefits. Why? Because it's part of the survival mechanism that was created from that plant. But the cool thing about that is you can eat those plants to get those amazing benefits that have been created over a very long period of time. But these citrus flavonoids also have the capacity of decreasing central nervous system disorders, decreasing formation of kidney stones, especially the oxalates, calcium oxalate stones. They can inhibit the formation of the stones, as well as calcium phosphate stones as well. Now, the vitamin C in citrus can completely annihilate and get rid of scurvy. What's scurvy? That's a very severe vitamin C deficiency where you have frequent infections, frequent colds, cracked lips, cracked corners of your mouth. That's what I had growing up. I didn't know what it was. Now, I've done other videos talking about the vitamin complex, specifically B2 and B3 deficiencies creating cracked lips right here, but it can also be vitamin C. In fact, when I was a kid, I think the reason why I had those cracks in the corners of my mouth were because I was consuming so much sugar. And when you consume sugar, you can't at the same time absorb vitamin C. So it was a vitamin C deficiency that created that problem. And also smoking. So if you're a smoker, you're going to block vitamin C absorption. That's really coming from a vitamin C deficiency, because as you smoke, you're blocking any ability to absorb that vitamin C. One of the symptoms of scurvy is ulcers in your mouth, on the inside of the mouth and on the tongue. Now, the other real big symptom of scurvy is spongy, bleeding gums. So you brush your teeth and you look at your toothbrush and it's like red. What is that? That's a vitamin C deficiency. But it could be you're just consuming too much sugar, or you're smoking, and that could be blocking vitamin C. Or you're just not consuming vitamin C from the complete complex. Maybe you're getting it from some vitamin, but it's all synthetic and it's not the same thing. Because vitamin C is involved in collagen and supporting your capillary strength. So if you don't have that vitamin C complex, the capillaries are fragile and they break easily. And here you are, you go to the dentist and they give you all this medication because now you have gingivitis, and you go down this whole series of things, but in reality it comes down to your diet. Now, citrus flavonoids can decrease the risk of getting gout, okay, inhibiting the uric acid formation. It can also help to act as a diuretic to get rid of excess fluid, and increase bile and peristalsis. So in certain countries, they use a lot of lemon for digestive issues after you eat. I just recommend using lemon in your diet for many reasons. not just helping your digestion, but some of these other things as well. And lemon is very, very sour, and it can help your liver. It can help the production of bile, which, by the way, counters constipation, because when you're deficient in bile, you become constipated. So bile helps lubricate the colon, basically. And the phytonutrients in citrus help peristalsis. So basically, it just helps your digestion from a couple different angles. All right, there you have it, the health benefits of citrus. Hey, before you go, if you're benefiting from any of my content, I would love to hear about your success story. Please share it in the link down below.